Have a nice day, everyone. Sorry for the previous video. There were some mistakes in calculation. Some friends advised me to correct the errors. So this is R1 for this video about pro rata and depreciation in aviation. This is R1, revision number 1. We need to calculate the current price of used aircraft, used engine or component, and calculate the warranty. This is the revised date here. This is my channel. This is my photo. And there is 3 items. I hope to comply them. This is a pro rata in Latin term used to describe a proportional allocation. It translates in proportion. That is means the rate here, the remaining over the maximum. Remaining over the maximum. This is the ratio rate of pro rata. For example, aircraft current price. First data, the virtual age may be 20, may be 25, according to the manufacturer and model. In Airbus A320, this mode number, if complied, the design service goal, said that here, this is the type and model, 120,000 flight hours or 60,000 flight hours, whichever occurs first. Calendar hours cycle. This is the virtual time for this model if this mode complied. How to calculate now? The data here. Assume the virtual age is 20 years. Year of manufacture of this aircraft is 2010. Nowadays, year 2022. So the use time for this aircraft and the last operators here, 22 now minus 20, the manufacture date here, equal 12 years. So the 12 years in the past for the last previous operators. For me, the remaining is, for me, for use, is 20 minus 12 equal 8. So this is the useful years for me. Assume its new price is 85 million when it's new. And salvage value, the scrapped value, is 5 million. This is the data. So the current price equal the purchase price when new minus salvage value multiply pro rata ratio. What about pro rata ratio? Is the remaining 8 over the maximum 20. So 8 over 20. Now this is new price minus salvage multiply by the ratio here, 8 over 20. So here 80 divided 20 equal 4. 4 multiply 8 equal 32 million. So this is the current price for this aircraft. If I use the cycles, 60,000 cycles, this is virtual. The total cycle now for this aircraft is 30,000. So the remaining cycles is the difference between them, 60,000 minus 30,000. The remaining is 30,000. So the pro rata ratio equal the remaining over the maximum, equal 1/2. So the current price equal here divided 2 or multiply half. So here 80 divided 2 equal 40 million. This is by cycle. If you use the flight hours, make the same thing. Give the pro rata ratio, the remaining hours minus 120,000 flight hours, and calculate the ratio and then the price. Take care from some notes. Discount the cost or the price of open items such as AD, airworthiness directives, due but not comply. How calculate this? The kits and man hours, so and so. The modes also, due and not comply. Here, structure repairs, permanent or temporary, external or not. For the rotable components age, take care that its age not exceed the aircraft age, 105. So here the 500 only 5% is accepted only. But if more than that, you must take a claim. Take care from these items. Dirty fingerprints, back 2 pairs. This is hard copy. So you need soft copy and hard copy to check the completion or the issue of all these items. Example 4, depreciation. The annual depreciation rate equal here divided the years, 20 here. So the rate 4 million per year. The consumed in the last is 12 years. Multiply 4, so this 48. So the remaining here 80 minus 48 equal 32. I think the result is the same in the depreciation and the pro rata. Here is the reference for design service goal. Here, this is the reference here. This is the correction for the last video for pro rata. Thank you for friends to make comments and advice to correct. I am waiting your comments, your suggestions, your corrections, anything. Thank you very much and goodbye.